Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Nazi Paikidze and Gizem Sahin. This game was played in Turkey in 2012. Nazi Paikidze had white pieces and she started with d4. Gizem Sahin played e6. Knight to f3, d5, c4, queen's gambit, knight to f6, queen's gambit declined, knight to c3, and now c5, the Tarrasch defense. C takes on d5, knight takes on d5, white to move. Nazi played e3. e4 is quite often played in this position. e3, knight takes on c3, pawn takes knight, a6 controlling b5 square, intending b5, and bishop to b7 in some variations. Bishop to d3, knight to c6, Nazi castled kingside, bishop to e7, a4 preventing b5, bishop to d7, bishop to b2. Nazi intends to push c and d pawn at the right time and unleash a dark square bishop. Gizem Sahin castled kingside, queen to e2 connecting rooks, rook to c8, knight to d2 intending f4, c takes on d4, e takes on d4, rook to e8, f4 intending the rook lift, and perhaps then rook to g3 or rook to h3, queen to c7, rook to f3, and now bishop to d6, attacking the pawn on f4. How would you defend the pawn? Would you play g3 or something else? Nazi played queen to f2. g3 would be a bad choice. With this move, white would weaken light squares around the king, and also in this position black has a very strong move available. What is it? What is the best move for black? It is e5. And this works well for black, because black rook is lined up with the white queen. Back to our game. Nazi played queen to f2. Knight to e7. Of course e5 would be silly now, because then f takes on e5, and then white is threatening rook takes on f7. So we have knight to e7, c4, queen to b8, knight to e4, bishop to c6, pinning the knight. This is a very interesting moment of the game. What would you do in this position if you had white pieces? Nazi came up with a very clever plan. d5, e takes on d5, c takes on d5, knight takes on d5, and black is a pawn up. But can you see now, what did white have in mind when the pawn was sacrificed? What would you do in this position if you had white pieces? The idea behind the pawn sacrifice was to unleash the dark squared bishop. Did you find rook to g3, threatening rook takes on g7 check? This is not a bad move. Nazi played queen to d4, threatening not check, but checkmate. f6, preventing checkmate. But now bishop to c4, pinning the knight. Bishop to f8, bishop takes on d5 check. Bishop takes on d5, queen takes on d5 check. White won a piece and the attack continues. King to h8, white to move. This is yet another very interesting moment of the game. What would you do? Please pause and find the best move for white. What did you find? Did you find this brilliant move? Knight takes on f6, threatening queen to g8 checkmate. Black to move. Bishop to c5, check, preventing queen to g8 checkmate. Naturally, player with the black pieces Sahin considered the g takes on f6 and didn't like this continuation. Bishop takes on f6 check. Bishop to g7. Bishop takes bishop check. King takes bishop, queen to g5 check. King to f7, queen to f5 check. King to e7, rook to d3 preventing the escape and intending rook to e1 check mate. Back to our game. To avoid this disaster, Sahin played bishop to c5 check. King to h1, rook from e to d8 attacking the queen. What is the best square for the queen? What would you do? White played a move when black resigned, and the move is queen to f5. Sahin resigned. One line goes like this: g6 preventing checkmate on h7, but then knight to g8 discovered the check. King takes on g8, queen to e6 check, king to f8, queen to f6 check. If king goes to e8, the game would last a bit longer, but the king would not survive. And if king goes to g8, then black loses on the spot. Queen to g7, check mate. What a brilliant attack by Nazi. There was a rumor that one of the Nazi's fans suggested to her to change her name. The letter goes like this: Dear Nazi, I'm your big fan, but I wish you had a different name. Please consider changing your name from Nazi Paikidze to... Are you ready to hear this? He said, please change your name from Nazi Paikidze to Nazi Paikidzeva. Wow, what a clever idea. What do you think of his idea? What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.